Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry's oil. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a new oil filter, and about 4½ to 5 quarts of the correct engine oil. Don't forget a drain pan and some safety gloves to keep your hands clean. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Next, safely prepare your vehicle. Use a jack to lift the front of your Camry and secure it with jack stands for stability. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to flow completely into the pan. This step is crucial for a thorough oil change. Once the oil has drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, add the fresh oil. Reinstall the oil drain plug, ensuring it's tight but not over-tightened, preferably with a new crush washer. Carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the engine's oil fill cap. Start the engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Top off if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.